Shut down Windows 7 without installing updates. Windows XP provided an option to shut down the computer without installing any Windows updates. This convenient, time-saving option seems to be missing in Windows 7. Is it possible to shut down Windows 7 without installing updates?
Yes, you can shut down Windows 7 without installing updates by enabling the following group policy setting. Do not adjust default option to install updates and shutdown in Shutdown Windows dialog box. Run pedit.msc. Navigate to administrative templates is greater than Windows components is greater than Windows updates. Double-click the setting, set it to enabled, and click OK. Now, the Shutdown button in the Start menu will default to Shutdown and include an extra option to install updates and shutdown.
Igolf's answer is the way to go if you want a permanent option in the Shutdown menu. This covers the once in a while, temporary, and I'm using Win 7 Home so I don't have pedit areas. Windows 7 Shutdown dialog. Make sure either your desktop or taskbar is in focus. Clicking on the desktop background or on an empty part of the taskbar is enough. Alternatively, the keyboard shortcut Windows plus D will work. Press Alt plus F4. You should now have this box. Windows 7 security screen. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to get to the security screen. Click the arrow next to the Shutdown button. You should see this context menu. Turn off automatic updates. This is not temporary, but it is a viable solution for home users. If you switch your update settings to anything except automatic updates, your Shutdown will not install updates. However, if you manually installed the updates, Shutdown will still go to the Configuring Updates screen as usual. Also, be sure to actually install the updates as often as possible.
In the unlikely event that I want to shut down and not install updates, I would use either the run dialog or the command prompt to run. /s equals shutdown, as opposed to reboot. /f equals force running applications to quit. /t10 equals wait 10 seconds before starting the shutdown, in case you change your mind and want to abort the shutdown.